Welcome to Investing with Eddie. So the debate just ended about 2 hours ago, and I've been looking at the Bitcoin chart, and Bitcoin had declined after the debate because Trump did not do as well as people thought he would do. Let's go check out the Bitcoin chart real quick. So this right here, we are looking at Bitcoin futures. This is not the actual price of Bitcoin. These are just future contracts, and we are on the 30-minute chart. So as you can see, the debate was at 6 p.m. Arizona time, and since then the Bitcoin futures price has dropped from almost 58,000 down to right now at 56,445. Let's check out the actual Bitcoin price to Binance. So here we go. Yeah, so the debate began at 6 p.m. Arizona time, so around this level at 57,722, and we've dropped about $1,500 since the debate ended. And Trump, he didn't do as well, and I think that Trump wasn't too prepared for this, and this is not good for Bitcoin because we are in a downtrend. Let's check out the 1 day chart. So yes, Bitcoin is in a downtrend for the past 2 months. So from for like we're in March, so September, for the past 6 months, the Bitcoin price has been on decline from 74,000, and it hit a bottom of 52,000 on the 6th of September, and now we are at 57,621. But Bitcoin is looking bearish because Trump did not do as well, and Trump's plan was to make Bitcoin a reserve for the USA. So Trump talked about Bitcoin at the Bitcoin conference. So Trump said, we want all the remaining Bitcoin to be made in the USA. And also, he had discussions about classifying Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset. And this makes sense that Bitcoin is dropping. Also, there's news from the Bank of Japan. So Japan plans to raise rates to bring the inflation under control. Let's go check that out over here. So go to news. And the Bank of Japan just met a few hours ago. So yen gains the strongest since since January 2nd after BOJ official speaks, and this can be bad news because this can cause a second Japan yen carry trade, or as the Feds in Japan raise rates, these people that got loans and low interest rates in Japan, now they are paying more interest, and to pay back that interest, they must dump American stocks or dump crypto. And that's probably why two other reasons why Bitcoin isn't doing as well. So okay, and here we go. So the Bank of Japan policymaker signals readiness to raise rates and inflation on track. If inflation is on track, right? So yeah, this cannot be a good thing for Bitcoin and other assets here in the USA like stocks. Let's check out the S&P 500 futures. So here we go, the E-mini S&P 500 futures. And yes, we are not doing good either on the futures. Let's see on day chart. Let's do the 30-minute chart. Yeah, we are on a decline, and most likely when the market opens in about 7 or 8 hours in the USA, the S&P 500 should be negative because of the debate and also because of the Bank of Japan. So from 6 p.m., 6:30 p.m., the the ES was at almost $5,500, and now we are at 54.75. So we are in a downtrend. Let's go check out some Bitcoin ETF outflows as well. So there are institutions who are dumping Bitcoin through these outflows. So the ETF outflows, this article from Seeking Alpha from today. Yep, today. No, September 6th, a few days ago actually. So let's see about those outflows. So also raising a red flag of late has been an increase in ETF outflows. According to the Arkham intelligence data released yesterday, 8 Bitcoin ETF recorded outflows around $287 million in the span of 24 hours. This is not good because it means likely these institutions, they know something is up and they are dumping their Bitcoin. Something else that came across on the news right now was that Goldman Sachs, they are going to sell their credit card. Yes, here we go. Their credit card business to a loss because there are people not paying back their credit cards and they are losing money. So Goldman Sachs nearing a deal to transfer GM credit card business to Barclays, sources says. Yes, this is not good either because this can cause more businesses, more banks to start selling off these businesses at a loss, and this can trigger a deeper decline in crypto assets and in the stock market as well. Let's go check out the Bitcoin price chart one more time before we leave. Let's do the 15-minute chart. Yeah, so still on a decline, big decline. So this can be bad for Bitcoin. We have support at $53,700, and then support at $52,500. The line of resistance at 58,000. If Bitcoin drops to 53,000, it should bounce up, but if it cannot hold this line of 53,000, Bitcoin will drop back down to 52,000. So our range is between 52,000 and 58,500. So let's see what happens. The stock market will open up in 8 hours here in the United States. So yep, let's see what happens in these next 8 hours. Yeah, guys. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.